All right, here's another question from a student doing composition of functions. This time, though, it says to subtract the two functions. And so we're going to just try to plug in as simply as we can. So f of x equals x minus 5. So I'm substituting f of x with what it's equal to, x minus 5, minus, I'll bring that down, and then g of x. G of x is just 3x. Now, that's all we have to do in terms of writing it out and to get the expression, and then you just combine like terms. So we have an x, that's 1x, and we have a negative 3x. Well, 1 minus 3 is negative 2, so that would be negative 2x. And then we have a minus 5, and we don't have anything to combine it with, so we'll just bring it down as well. And so that is the composition of these two functions when we're subtracting. That's it. So this month in the membership, we're talking all about honesty, math honesty, not just telling the truth, but being real about when you understand and when you don't understand. And that can be hard. It can take some courage. So I encourage you to take courage and be honest. If you're not understanding, ask questions. I'll see you next time.